This is Sonia Khanna and you are watching Learn with Motivation. In this video, you will be familiar with computer system. Computer is an electronic machine. It takes input, process it, then give output. Do you know that what you can do in your computer? You can play in your computer. You can write letter in your computer. You can draw picture and color it too. You can listen music and enjoy it. You can do all type of correction and computer help in your calculation too. Parts of computer. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. It has many buttons on it. That is called keys. That is why it is called keyboard. A to Z keys are called alphabet keys. 0 to 9 keys are called number keys. F1 to F12 keys are called function keys. And some symbols keys are called special keys. Mouse. Basically, mouse is an input device, but it also called a pointing device too. It has two buttons, that is left button and right button. It is used to point, select, drag and drop. Monitor. Monitor is an output device. It looks like a TV screen. It displays all the work done on the computer. It is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. The information we see on monitor is called soft copy. There are two types of monitor, CRT, cathode ray tube. This is all type of monitor, and LCD, liquid crystal display. This is the latest monitor. Printer. Printer is an output device. It prints the information from a computer onto a paper. The output printed on a paper is called hard copy. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU is known as the brain of computer that control all the part of computer system. It does all the calculations and display the result on the monitor. It also store lots of information. A CPU is made up of three main parts: MU, CU and ALU. Now, one by one, we try to understand the function of these three parts. MU. MU is memory unit. Store the information and data according to our need. CU. Control unit. It controls the work into the computer. For example, a traffic police control the traffic on the road. Same like that, it store, manage the working all part of the computer. ALU. The full form of ALU is Arithmetic Logic Unit. It performs all type of arithmetic calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also performs the logical operation like greater than, smaller than, equal to, etc. Function performed by computer. Basically, computer based on IPO cycle. I means input. It accepts the data given by user. P means process. It work on the data according to the instruction. O means output. It give the desired result. And S means store. It store the information according to our need. In the other word, we can say It is an IPO cycle of computer system. Input. You can see in picture. Keyboard is an input device. The data which we enter using the mouse and keyboard into the computer is called input. For example, letter, word, number, picture, sound. This is called data. You can see the process. Process device is CPU. After entering the data in a computer, the CPU work on that given data and give a meaningful information. This is called processing. You can see the output device is monitor. When the data is processed in the CPU to give the useful information, it is known as output. Now try to understand with the help of this picture. Input, process, output, IPO cycle. We enter the data with input devices, for example keyboard, scanner, microphone, mouse, and it enter into the CPU. And CPU work on the data with the help of ALU and CU. If you save your data, then it goes to the memory unit and it processes the output in the form of information with the help of output device, monitor, speaker and printer. Strength of computer. Number 1, speed. It works very fast, does job in a seconds. It store a large amount of data. Computer never give the wrong answer. It always give the right result. And computer is very reliable machine. The weakness of computer. Computer is zero IQ. Computer is a dumb machine. It cannot think anything by its own. It is, if no command given, it not work. And computer depend upon the electricity. A computer being an electronic device can work only when electricity is available. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you.